Well, it's that day. Come get gas with me in my straight pipe Durango RT. Feels good to be back. So as you can tell by the title and thumbnail of this video, I'm going to be getting gas in my Durango. Here we gotta turn the sport on. And yes, I'm very well aware that my car is dirty, okay? All right, let's go drain my bank account. Feels good to be back making a video on one of my own vehicles again. Oh yeah. So no more loud squeaky brakes. No more slow rental car.
Holy Jesus.
More than likely my neighbors do absolutely hate me. Like, oh, don't be sleeping on the Durango RT, man. But sleep on this road. This road is horrible. I don't know if you could tell how small this road is, but this is me in the middle of it. Oh, good Lord.
He's an idiot.
Oh, alrighty. Downshift. As you can see, I'm pretty low on gas. Quite a regular occurrence in this vehicle, though. Oh. We just passed 12.
You're going to jail!
Pulling up to 7-Eleven, though. Go right over here to this pump. Insert cardigan. Don't do this to me, bro. Okay. And bang. Are we? Yep, here we go. I just need like...
You're good.
Thank you.
Holy Jesus.
Bro, how does one, you know what, oh, it just leaked on me. Now that I have drained my bank account again, we can go ahead and get rolling. As you can see, I'm pretty low on gas. Oh, it's a puppy. Hey, look at the puppy. Hey, what's up, Bill? I also got to watch out for some cops because they're really cracking down on the phones in the hand thing around where I live. And as you can tell, that's exactly what I'm doing. Got to invest in some Meta glasses at some point. These people are never aware that this is a 55-mile-an-hour zone, and we always end up going 50. Why are we going 50 in a 55? He's a... If you guys are thinking about getting an RT, Charger, Challenger, Durango, or maybe a Jeep, I tell you what, man, this is probably one of the most fun vehicles I've ever owned. I mean, this thing is big, but it can move. Especially the Durango of all RTs is so fun because you can haul so many people in the back of the... I think literally everybody in my neighborhood more than likely hates me. I really don't know why, though. I'm just kidding, everybody. I don't do that through my neighborhood on a regular basis. I promise. I will say, for such a big vehicle too, this thing handles so well. Boom. And we have made it back home.